A number of the new cases likely involve children. Here in Arizona and across the country, there's been a steady increase in the number of kids testing positive for COVID. Jason Berry explains why.
A lot of parents are feeling a bit uneasy as the number of COVID cases among kids starts to climb. And with the new school year getting started for thousands of students across the valley, things could get worse.
Go down this one.
Keeping your children safe on the playground is one thing. Protecting them from COVID-19 is quite another.
It just kind of worries me because, they're kids and they're more vulnerable than adults.
The American Academy of Pediatrics is reporting a significant jump in the number of COVID cases among children nationwide. Kids now make up nearly 17% of reported weekly COVID-19 cases, with pediatric hospitalizations up as well. Phoenix mom Pearl Aramillo says those kind of numbers get your attention.
More kid cases, more kids in the hospital, is that scary?
It is scary because now it's not just the adults, now it's affecting the children.
Cases of these younger kids in the hospital.
Dr. Ross Goldberg with Valleywise Health says it's not that surprising that COVID cases among kids are on the rise.
Just from a logic medicine standpoint, if the virus is looking for areas to spread, it's going to go after those that are more vulnerable. And right now, the most vulnerable are groups that are not vaccinated. And one of those groups are the younger population.
It's important to point out that severe illness and death remains incredibly rare among children. And hospitalizations for kids who get COVID is less than 2%. These parents don't believe it's something to panic about.
Is that something that worries you?
Not at all. I'm not concerned about that. I think kids are very resilient.
The CDC is recommending that all students wear a mask when they go back on campus, but it's safe to say not everyone will comply, because in Arizona, mask mandates are not allowed at school. In Phoenix, Jason Berry for Arizona's Family.